Dear students, we are going to begin Unit 6 Magnets. As we all know, magnets can attract some other metallic substances towards them. There are different types of magnets. Horseshoe magnet, U-magnet, ring magnet, bar magnet, tabular magnet. The materials that are attracted towards magnets are known as magnetic materials, and the materials that are not attracted towards magnets are known as non-magnetic materials. Plastic spoons, rubber toys, sellotapes, drinking straws, plastic hangers, sponge are some of the non-magnetic materials. File clips, scissors, iron nails, iron rulers, padlocks, keys are some of the magnetic materials. The attraction power of the magnet is more at the ends than the middle. The two ends where the power of attraction is more are known as magnetic poles. Here you can see a large number of file clips and a large amount of iron fillings have attracted to the either sides of the magnet. These sides are the poles of the magnet. In a bar magnet, there are two poles. They are North Pole and the South Pole. North Pole is colored in red and the South Pole is colored in blue. To show that a freely suspended magnet always points towards the north-south direction. Things required: a wooden block, a bar magnet, a plastic tub half filled with water. Procedure: take a bar magnet and suspend it freely as shown in the animation. Move the magnet a little from its position. After some time the magnet comes to the rest. You will observe that the magnet stops pointing towards the north-south direction. Now tie the bar magnet on the wooden block. Take a plastic tub half filled with water. Float the magnet with the wooden block on the water in the tub. Disturb the wooden block a little and wait for some time until the wooden block with magnet comes to the rest. You will notice that the magnet with wooden block stops pointing towards the north-south direction. This activity proves that a freely suspended or static magnet in water always points towards the north-south direction. When a freely suspended magnet or a floating static magnet comes to rest, the north poles of these magnets are always turned towards the geographical north direction. There are some interactions between magnetic poles. If we make closer two unlike poles or two opposite poles together, they attract each other. So, attraction is observed between two unlike poles of magnets. If we make closer two like poles or two similar poles together, they go apart. So, repulsion is observed. Thank you.